This is a difficult task. Oh no! There's a new official release for Android out called 1.6.10 that we're going to take for a short test flight. Prior to this one, 1.6.12 was released as a beta, which was causing significant problems for Android users, especially the ones using a Samsung device and running Android 12. Not very soon after, DJI released an official version that is called 0.10, where the beta version was labeled 0.12. This is not automatically being announced inside the app, so you have to go to the DJI website to get the official release. Even though it says something else on the website, you just press the button and then you can see from the file name that it's 1.6.10 that is available. This is causing some problems for those of you that have installed the 0.12 because Android is built in a way that you are not supposed to bump down or install versions with a lower version number. So you have to go manually into your device and then uninstall the app and then reinstall the one that you downloaded on the DJI website to be able to perform the operation. So if you not do that, you will not be allowed to install it and you will just get an error message. So this is the way forward. Let's just, for the sake of it, check that we have the right version installed here. Let's just go under profile here and then under settings. And if I go down here, you will be able to see that I have I've installed the 1.6.10 10.10 dash, not dash, strich, official. So everything should be fine there. So let's get this airborne and see if we are experiencing any of the issues that is previously reported, where everything is freezing up. So what was reported with the previous version of the app was problems with synchronizing the flight log, as well as app crashes. Most of them were when you were starting the app, so that's kind of, we're out of that problem here because we're out flying. Also, the app would shut down randomly. So this is of course what we're going to test today. And there's some sort of a bike run going on over here in the background. So we'll fly a little bit around here and test out that stuff. So we can just do like a small manual point of interest here. So what we do now is to test this out. I'm gonna put the drone in spotlight once there's a car that is basically heading towards the junction here. So you cannot go this way. There's the car. And there's a lot of bikers there. So it gives us enough time. We'll just zoom in here. So we fetch it. So now the car is allowed to go in this direction. So the camera here is really, really nice. So just see, if I tap the zoom button, it will zoom out. This is so nice. And I can actually follow it if I want to, because I'm using spotlight. So if I'm riding here to the side. See, in this way you can hack yourself into some pretty nice footage by using the spotlight mode and actually flying it around. So where we else have seen problems, probably going to test this in the past with crashes, is if we're using portrait mode. So I'm going to stop the recording here and then swip it into portrait mode. And we're going to do the same exercise here. Screen recorder's running. Yes. Can I follow this one? No. Yeah, got that one. So it seems there's absolutely no issues as it is right now. I need to be careful because there are trees there. I'm further up than what it showed on the image. So that's a really, really good tip, is that you can actually use the spotlight mode of the drone. Just fix it on something and then you can fly around it. So spotlight does not only provide tracking for the stuff that is moving around on the ground. You can, like I did here, use it on a stationary object, and then you can simply fly around it and create some beautiful stuff here. I'm a little bit far away and then I do the zoom out. Oh, now there's a lot of bikers over there. Let's get back here. Put in sport mode. See the bikers? So this version is definitely not causing any issues as far as I can see it here. Let's just check the compass here. So I like this view best, where I put the drone in the center. So if I put it like this, approximately, this is north. I'm located here, down here somewhere, there. Oh. So that seems to be the right thing. Let's get back and check the flight logs. And by the way, I have made a full tutorial about all the settings that are inside the DJI Fly app. And this is a very beginner-friendly version. So if you're struggling figuring out what is the right settings for you, then I would recommend you watching that video, and you can access that through this card. Also, I'm putting out a video around my Corvette in case that you are interested in that. And I will make sure to leave that somewhere up here once it's available. Let's see if it lands. This is a difficult task. Oh no! Okay, it just landed in soft grass below it. I landed it on the edge of this table that was down there. So let's just stop the video here for a second, and then let's go under. Let's just see if it has registered the flight logs here. Enable flight cloud synchronization. Yes. So we have 2 flights from this morning. One that is 9 minutes and one that is 13 minutes. So it says upload successfully. So that part is working. And of course I had to connect it to my iPhone to get it to synchronize. So I can confirm that the upload and synchronization of flight logs is working. It's very obvious looking at the stats that I'm not using my Android phone together with the old controller that much. I actually prefer the DJI RC as my main device for flying the Mini 3 Pro. So at least from my point of view, this is working like it's supposed to. Have you seen any other issues with this official release from DJI? Then let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.